Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Unsay kaso if ang public officer misappropriate a fund? Is it estafa or malversation? Disclaimer, I'm a bar candidate currently waiting for the results of the Philippine Bar Examination. The content of this blog is for educational and informational purposes only. This is not a legal advice and should not be relied upon. If you want legal concern, please consult a lawyer or an appropriate authority. In a recent case decided by the Supreme Court in People v. Reyes, May 19, 2025, the Supreme Court explains that if a public officer having official custody of funds and duty to collect, manage, and control funds due to the government, niya imong i-misappropriate, like for example, school head, accountant, or superintendent, it constitutes malversation, not estafa. The crime of estafa under Article 315 of the Revised Penal Code and the malversation of public funds under Article 217 of the Revised Penal Code are similar, both kay misappropriation man siya about funds or property. The difference between the two, estafa gali, ang iyang misappropriation is in private in character, whereas ang malversation is public funds or property done by a public officer accountable for the management, control, and collection of government funds na related sa iyang office. So, if ang public officer, like teacher, ni misappropriate of fund, ang iyang possible kaso, dili malversation, but estafa. But if it is an accountable officer like school head, accountant, or superintendent, malversation, dili estafa. So I hope this video help us understand unsa nang malversation, unsa nang estafa. So please follow, like, and share for more updates about educational law. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.